Welcome to Daily Fix Guide, and in this video I'm going to show you how to block all ads in Chrome without extension. There are a lot of methods to do so let's just jump into it. Once you go and open Chrome, go and click on the three dots, then click on Settings. Once you click on Settings, go to the Settings panel, click on Privacy and Security. Here make sure to go and select Security. On the Security option, we would like to enable this Use Secure DNS if you have it disabled. So once you enable it, make sure to click on this. You'll find this on OS defaults. You'll have to go and choose Add Custom DNS Service Provider. And here, you'll have to enter one of those. Both will be good. So either https dns.addguard.com/dns-query. Let me just go and do this. Right, like that. Query. And this is one. The other one is, instead of this, you can go, instead of dns.addguard.com, you can go and enter block ada.org. So the first one is add-guard DNS, and the other one is block. Oh, sorry, block. I type it wrong. Make sure to do not type the C. So, oh, never mind. You should have typed it, or you should type it. So block ADA. So the first one, as you said, is add-guard DNS, and the other one is block ADA DNS. And these DNS providers block most ad/trackers domains at the DNS level, and it will work without an extension. So you can just now go. So once you enter the one that you like, as example, whether the first one or second one, you should be done. Ads will stop loading in most sites, even on YouTube sites as example. But of course, that does not block them 100%, so you might sometimes keep seeing some. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.